Want to know a simple way to have vegetables ready in under 15 minutes? I'll show you a quick and flavorful way to do it. Let's get to it. Today, we're going to learn to blanch vegetables. This is the second part of a 3-part mini-series to make a simple meal with rice, vegetables, and a protein. For this video, this broccoli crown is going to be the star of the show today. I love broccoli because it's a vegetable rich in nutrients, it's high in fiber, and overall just good for your health. I also love to use it as a stir fry in other dishes, where it is an excellent complement to meat and other vegetables. Of course, this method of blanching can be done to a wide array of vegetables, such as lettuce, zucchini, cauliflower, celery, Chinese vegetables like bok choy, or gailan, also known as Chinese broccoli. We'll cut the broccoli into florets of fairly equal size. We do this so all the broccoli cooks evenly. A handy tip when cutting broccoli or something similar like cauliflower is to focus on cutting the stem. Cut the stem, then tear it with your hands. This will minimize the amount of florets going everywhere that can make a big mess. So if you want to reduce your overall cleanup, I highly suggest you do this. Regarding the center stem, while some people may not enjoy eating it, I try to use every part of the broccoli if possible. The stems are actually higher in fiber than the florets, so I do encourage you to incorporate these in your diet. But let me know, are you a floret or a stem lover? Were you deprived like my wife growing up who had to eat the stem because their siblings only ate the florets? Let me know in the comments. I eat the stems now to give the life my wife never had. We're going to rinse the broccoli a little to get rid of any dirt. A couple rinses will do. Once we are done rinsing, we will leave the broccoli in cold water until we are ready to cook. The reason why I do this is to mainly preserve the freshness of the vegetable, and it can also help rehydrate vegetables to make them crisp again if you have the time to soak them for 30 minutes or more. Now that we're done with the preparation, we'll get a large pot and fill it with water. I'm using a large pan with high sides to do this, but any pot that can fill about 3 liters of water will do just fine. Set the water to start boiling and we'll get ready to cook. When the pot starts boiling, add some salt and cooking oil into the pot. The salt will give it a little seasoning and the oil is there to help preserve the greenness and give the vegetables a little shine. So before we get to the cooking, a quick reminder, if you're enjoying the video so far, here's all the things you can click on to connect with me and help support the channel, especially the notification bell. It makes a big difference in helping the channel grow, so your support is greatly appreciated. We'll drain the water in the mixing bowl to get ready to add in the broccoli. Next, I'll use a slotted spoon to evenly disperse the oil in the pot. Then we can add in the broccoli. You can see as soon as the broccoli is interacting with the boiling water, its color turns into a more vibrant green, which is what we're looking for. Make sure everything is submerged and then cover the pot. Let it blanch for about 2 to 3 minutes. Now here, you have a bit of a judgment call to make. If you want your broccoli to have a little crunch or snappiness to it, 2 minutes should be sufficient. If you want the broccoli to be on the softer side, have it boil for a minute or 2 longer. Just make sure you don't overdo it, otherwise it will get too soft and mushy and you're not going to have a fun time. You can see as I'm waiting for the broccoli to boil, I am preparing to enhance the flavor of the broccoli by drizzling some sesame oil and a little bit of oyster sauce on the serving plate. That's my go-to option. Oyster sauce can be substituted with soy sauce for similar umami goodness. Frying some minced garlic is nice too if you have more time. There are many other options available to you if you're looking to enhance your broccoli. You can do something simple like adding salt and pepper. Lemon and garlic is a common combination. And I've also seen grated Parmesan if that's to your liking as well. If you have a favorite flavor enhancer to go with your vegetables, let me know in the comments. Okay, it's been a couple of minutes, so let's take out the broccoli using a strainer and place it on a plate. Here, I'm adding a little more sesame oil and oyster sauce for flavor, and then I will mix it around a bit. If you're feeling fancy or have the need to impress someone, adding some olive oil now can give the vegetable a glossy finish, which will improve its presentation. If you don't have any flavor enhancers, that's perfectly fine. You can eat this without them, which is actually one of the healthiest options you can do. And there you have it, blanched broccoli, ready to eat or be part of the next step like a stir fry. More to come on that in the future. I do hope you enjoyed this video and learned a simple way to get some healthy vegetables in your diet. Try it out and let me know in the comments how it turned out for you. If you haven't checked out the other videos in this mini-series, I highly encourage you to take a look. I appreciate if you give this video a thumbs up, and if you like the content, hit the subscribe button and the bell for notifications to learn about new videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care, everyone.